the current message back up there that we referred to, but it's going to set it less than or equal to the table get n lady messages. So we would have to, you just have to know what the value of lady messages is. I don't remember if we changed it all, but its original message was this. I don't know if we changed it anywhere else in here, but that was what its current message was last I saw. So that value here, right here, the 2.5612 skew switch, would be called right here. That value is what is being passed into the get n function of the table. I don't know what the table is, but you probably know better than I. If lady time, which we've already talked about, is greater than or equal to lady message, and then these brackets are signifying an array, this is actually a multi-dimensional array, because this is the first array and this is the second array. A multi-dimensional array is going to look just like the same thing here, but it's going to have two sets of fields in it. I would just Google multi-dimensional array. I don't use them all that often. I know what they are, but you can refer to these as ordered pairs, and I can say I want the value of 1, 5 if that's what's here, and I would say index 0, index 1. That's a multi-dimensional array, but just Google it, see some videos on it. They can explain it better than me. So message man, since it's all caps, is going to be probably a LUA command. Same thing as the screen man, that was in all caps. And here we see that semicolon again, so it's setting something to broadcast the lady message plus the lady current message to. And last time I saw the lady current message, we set it, or we checked it here, but we set it up here to 1. I don't know if we changed it somewhere else in the line of coding. But then we're going to change it and definitely set it here, lady current message, set it equal to lady current message plus 1. So if it was 1 before, that plus 1 is going to make it 2, and it stores it back into the lady current message. And then, so if this was true, this code gets run. If it's not, then it doesn't do anything. Self, again, referring back to itself, Q command, update 2. Update 2 command is going to run a function. It's going to put itself to sleep for 0.02 seconds, and then it's going to run update. Now, we see this slash again. So that slash is saying all of this code, all of it, belongs to that layer right there. So all of this code belongs to that layer. So now we're doing something different. Now we're doing a bitmap text, which is probably a texture. So this is probably dealing with drawing stuff to the screen. So we're going to set the font to common normal. We're going to set the text to test. You would have to see where it says test on the thing. And then on command, it is running X. That's a parameter. Screen center X, which is probably grabbing the screen center on X. Screen center Y, so it's identifying if you drew an X from your screen, wherever those two X's meet in the middle, that's what it's getting right there. And then effect clock, that's another parameter. Music, play command, these are all things that it's feeding into the thing. So I don't know what all of these are specifically doing, but that's what it's passing into the on command. And then its set time command is calling another function of self. Set text to get seconds into effect. That's a function. It's probably built into the library. You'd have to look at that code. And then it's setting lady time equal to number, get text, sleep, and then Q command. So all of these things are feeding back into it. AUX actor, very important. Boom. Use this in conjunction with beat-specific sections. See above line 124. There's not line numbers on this, but in the actual program that you're looking at, line 24 specifically refers to the specific line on it. So this is line 1 right there. This is line 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So wherever 124 falls into, that's what it's referring to. For precise frame-specific control, AUX var get AUX is your dynamic value here. And then this is a new layer. You see this little slash? That's saying that this tag is done. And then it's doing this bracket, and that's probably a block quote. So this is a single line quote. That's why he doesn't need the 2 dashes here, because he wrapped it in a whole block of comments. And then it's running a layer command, initiate command self, setting that to self, and then it's setting that to self. Skew twitch message command, finish tweening, I don't know what that does. 0 linear, 9.6 linear, sure. It's setting a whole bunch of stuff into this skew twitch command. And then it's closing the children tag and the actor frame tag. So these two refer back up to this, and it's closing out the session for this code block. So hopefully that helps a little bit. I'm sure you're going to let me know. I will get these videos to you as soon as I can. All right, but I got to go pick up my kids from daycare. So I will talk to you guys later.